Welcome back to the ABCs of environmental law. Today's C is for CalEPA. Now you are probably familiar with EPA, but chances are you're actually thinking about the United States EPA, which is a federal agency. No surprise, California has one too. So it's CalEPA, the California Environmental Protection Agency. So what is it? Why does it exist? And how does it differ from the federal government? Let's break it down. So the US EPA is a federal agency that sets baseline environmental standards for the entire nation. CalEPA is a California agency created in 1991, and it oversees a variety of other environmental agencies that each have their own mission, authority, and way of doing things. So CalEPA doesn't do just one thing. And as an example, within it, there's CARB, the Air Resources Board, which sets strict vehicle emission standards, and it drives state policies to combat air pollution and climate change. You also have the State Water Resources Control Board and its regional water quality control boards, which regulate water rights and water quality. And you have the Department of Toxic Substances Control, which regulates hazardous waste, cleans up contaminated properties, and also looks to eliminate toxic ingredients from our everyday products. So why do we need both a federal and a state EPA? It comes down to a constitutional concept called cooperative federalism. Under federal laws like the Clean Air Act or Clean Water Act, the US EPA sets a regulatory floor. That's the minimum level of protection that every state has to follow. But Congress allowed states to also have a regulatory ceiling if they choose. And no surprise, California likes high ceilings. So this creates a complicated reality for businesses. If you operate in California, meeting federal EPA standards isn't enough. You also have to follow the standards set by CalEPA's agencies. So that's the whole variety of mandates and safety rules that differ from across the country, and it also, due to the sheer size of California's economy, tend to have an oversized influence. So while US EPA watches the nation, CalEPA pushes the boundary.